Hello everyone. Today we will learn about a DSA program which is reversing the digits of a number. Okay. So the problem statement was write a program that prompts the user to input an integer, then outputs the number with the digits reversed. Okay. For example, if the input is 1 2 3 4 5, the output should be 5 4 3 2 1. So this is the problem statement. So simply they are asking is that you have to take input from the prompts means you have to ask the user to give the input. Okay, so generally we will do through the console. Then you have to output the number which is having the digits reversed. Okay, so as usual we will take import java.util.star package. This is the default package we will take for all the Java programs. Okay, so allow ahead is the class name and the main is the default function having command line arguments. Okay, so here I am using a scanner class which is belongs to util package, and I have created a object for the scanner class. So the scanner class will use to take a input from the console. Okay, so using this scanner class object I am using next line method. Until now you have seen next int, next double, next float, right? So next line method is for string variable. Okay. Hmm. So so you are itself telling the console that with this next line method you are telling to console that okay console, now the user will input an string value rather than integer. Okay, so it will store in the uh, string variable which is num. Okay, so let's come to the logic part. So in strings also there are some functions. I will let you know about these two functions in this video. So uh, length function. Okay, so it will print the string length. Okay, so suppose there is like program string is there. So what is the length of it? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 means the length is 7. Okay, and there is another function also which is char at. Okay, caret of index. This is the syntax. Okay, so what this means you are asking the compiler. Okay, uh, whatever character is present in this index, please print that value. Okay, so these are the meanings of these functions. So it was done. uh, so what you are doing now, so basically we have to reverse the characters, right? Reverse the characters or reverse the digits. Okay, so in that case what you are doing is you are coming from the back. Okay, that is the reason num dot length of -1. That means uh, what is the num dot length value? Num means our string name. Okay, dot length. So what is the value for it? Let's say assume I have taken this input. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So my string length was 9. Okay, then what I am doing? 9 minus 1. Why 9 minus 1? So string is nothing but character array, guys. That is the reason. Same like array. Here also in string the index will be 0 to n minus 1. Okay, that is the reason. So num dot length is like n. string value. Okay, -1. That is the I value. That means at first I value was 9. Okay, let's take this output only 9. Okay, then I greater than equal to 0. So you are greater than equal to, y equal to means you are telling to go through the string until 0th index. Okay, that is the reason you have taken 0. Then I minus decrement. So here you are printing characters from reverse of the string one by one. That is the reason I didn't take println. Okay, that is the main reason. We have to very careful of the system.out.print and system.out.println. Okay, that means I given like this, right? So it will print the output like this. Okay, that means see, this is the input, guys. I have given, this is the input. Okay, this is the output. This is console output. Okay, so this is the input I given. The output need to come like this. That is the reason I given system.out.print. If I given println, what will happen? It will print like this, 0, 0, 0, like that. Okay. To avoid that, I have taken ln. ln means line. So num dot chart of I. That means it is asking to print uh, the character which is in I index. What is the I index now? I equal to 8, right? So let's take 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 0, 0. For this, the index was 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So index cannot be 9. If the length is 9, then index cannot be 9, which is only 9 minus 1, 8 only. That is the reason uh, we have taken n minus 1 value. Okay, so we are asking, okay, whatever I is 8 now, right? So whatever character is there in I index in num string, please print it. So what will be the output? It will print 0. Okay, then it will again go above I minus minus. Okay, now what is the I value? 7. Hmm? So again, num dot chart of 7 now. What is the 7 value? 0. Again it will print 0. Then again it will go above. It will decrease again. Now the value was 6. Okay. So chart of 6. Char 8 of 6. For the number string was, what is the 6 value? 0 again. Then again it will go above. Then again it will decrease to 5. Now the char 8 of character. Caret means character. At fifth index was, what is the what? I think it is 3. Okay, so it will print 3. Again it will go above. Now it is 4. Character at fourth index in number string was 2. It will print 2. Again it will go above. Now I is 3. Character at third index in number string was 1. It will print 1. Again it will go above. Now the I value is 2. Character at 2 index was 0. Okay. See, this is the input. Below I have given index representation. Okay. So at 2 was 0. It will print. Now again the I value was 1. The character at 1 was, see, 1 index which is 0. It will print 0. Again it will go 0. Now 0 greater than equal to 0. Yes, 0 is equal to 0. So it will pass and it will come to this statement again. So 0 greater than equal to 0. So it will pass this condition. So it will come to the statement again. Now character at 0th index was 0. Okay. So the whole number was printed in reverse manner. Okay. So in this now the I is definitely -1. Okay. So -1 is not, I is -1 now. Okay. So I -1 not greater than equal to 0. So the file loop will be terminated. Okay. So that is the program. So all you guys can confess that why I have taken these many zeros. So before this type of programming, I taken another style which is using in this way, like while the- that means I have taken the number as an integer only, then I have written like this, number not equal to 0. In in the logic I have taken help of modulus 10 and division 10. With these things, normally there is one program to reverse the digits of the number. The main issue was, if you gave the if you gave the zeros either at front or back, it is not performing in a good way. Why? Because normally what division what modulus will do means it will give the last digit of a number. Okay, division will remove last digit of a number while performing. So it is working actually, but when you give the zeros at front or back, it is terminating at this condition only, while num not equal to 0. Okay, so let's assume I have given like this 320. Hmm? So uh, or like this, assume that 0320. So it will terminate the last digit and it give us, it will terminate the last digit. So what will happen? 0320, right? So first it will terminate the last digit. It will give the number to us as 0. Okay. That time it was satisfied. Num not equal to 0. Okay. Then again 03. It will give the last digit 2. Num not equal to 0 was satisfied with the 03. Okay. Now terminate last digit. It will give 3 also it given. Num not equal to 0 satisfied. Now 0 came. Now it was terminated here. Okay, num not equal to 0 is not satisfied. So what it will print? It will print 0, 2, 3. See, 0, 3, 20 and 0, 2, 3. So we didn't got another 0 here. Why? Because of this condition. So it is like a drawback. If you use this type of logic, it will not pass all the test cases and you can't tell to the user, okay, don't give zeros front or back like that. So just use this logic, it will work for every input, even though it is having multiple number of zeros. That is the reason I have taken these many zeros front and back. Okay, now you understood, right? Okay then. We will meet in next video. Thank you. Bye.